Sir, so now I'm going to show or discuss about the Newton's law of motion. So what is Newton's law of motion? So Newton's law of motions are the motions that have related an object motion to the forces acting on it. So in the first law of object where law, an object will not change its motion unless a force acts on it. So now I will give an example of a block. So here's the surface. So if we here's the block. So if we don't apply a force, this block will not move, and all the forces that currently active on this box cancel the balance forces. Example, if we have a weight forces at the box, let's say the box has a mass of 10 kilograms. To calculate the weight force is equal to m W is equal to W m times G. M is meaning to say the mass in kilogram. So G meaning to say is the gravity acceleration. So here is our value of the mass is 10 kilogram, and then the number of the gravitational acceleration is 9.8 meter per second. Now our mass is 10 kilogram, and here 10 kilogram, and then our gravitational acceleration is 9.8 meter per second squared. So now we are going to multiply 10 times 9.8 equals 98 Newton. So the gravity exerts a weight for a W weight portion in any object. So now the block is not accelerating the work, it's a mass. So the mass must be same other forces that keeps it rest. The force that the ground exerts on the box is known as the Newton. So the force, and it has the balance. So the weight in order to Newton force. So as you consider the balance forces, the next force on the box is equal to 0. This one, the net forces on the box is equal to 0 unless we apply the unbalanced force. Then the block may be cancelled, move when we have overcome the friction. If we apply the force, then it can be moved. So that is the example of the first motion, Newton's first motion. So the next video, sir, to be followed.